What's up, guys? Go YouTube. I'm kind of pissed off at the news right now. Channel 36 in Charlotte. I don't live in Charlotte. I'm a truck driver. A couple nights ago, one of our drivers coming from China Grove back to Greenville had a very bad wreck in Gastonia, North Carolina. He died. It was real bad. I mean, it was just flames, and yeah, he burned up and he died. And it was very bad, and so I'm searching links and trying to learn a little bit about the story, right? Because I know what we know now, but I watching what they reported then, and I got so pissed. Now somebody lost their life. Everything that went with it. Now all the news is talking about is the traffic. They laughing about how the traffic is and how everybody could go around it, and it's just like, yeah, I mean they're not getting the big picture about what happened. Like my boss, Jason, he basically had to call his preacher to go with him and actually go knock on the door and tell this lady that her husband is dead. You know, then he had to go up there to the corner, get the body or the bones now. I mean, somebody burned up brutally, and they're just giggling and laughing about the traffic. And then they say it's driver error. It was his fault. They didn't do no investigation or nothing. Now it turns out the tractor he kind of hit on the side was stopped in the middle of the damn road. Or like going backwards or something, because they use the GPSs in the tractors, because all tractors now usually got GPS and all that stuff. And I mean, we've got a computer and everything. It tells you where the hell we're at and everything. So he smacked that one, you know what I mean, hit at the corner, and they're saying, oh, this driver, his fault. He's going too fast for conditions. It was a little rainy that night or wet that night. Please, our tractors don't go that damn fast. And because we're governed. 65 is about far. 65, 66, about 70, 80. No, sorry, not 80. 68 is about as fast as they go. You know, and that's about it. And too fast conditions, please. You know, it's just somebody was coming around a long banking curve. That guy was stopped, and they want to laugh about it, about the traffic. You know, when they hear about somebody dying, that's somebody. You know, I just talked to the guy before he left out. I did his run the other night after he died. You know, it makes you think, and then you drive over it. I mean, it's just weird, you know. And it really breaks me down hard. I mean, next week, I thought the funeral was going to be today, but they're going to have it next week. They're going to get some family. So we're going to see it. So Eric Lee, now snow on your man. See you in the truck stop in the sky. Switch that. Hey. Good luck, Eric.